I don't think the video was that wild, to be honest. I don't think it was that crazy. It's honestly some shit I already knew. What's up, y'all? Hope y'all having a beautiful and blessed day. Let's get straight into the topic. Now, I don't make videos about other YouTubers often because I feel like that's some clout chasing shit. And I ain't about that. Feel me? I wanna grow this YouTube channel off of my self-respect and off my words that I'm speaking on. But today, I'm talking about this nigga Vontoocut and his recent video titled "The Hamster Wheel. Wake up, it's not real, it's time to be free." Now, yesterday, I made a video that's called "How I Know This Nigga's Video, but I don't know my own goddamn video." That's crazy. It's called The Illusion. Bro, I made this video before I even watched this video. I put that on my higher self. When I put something on my higher self, that shit facts. I made my video before I even watched his video, okay? Now, in my video, I was saying something similar, but I didn't go as far as he went. You know what I'm saying? But what I said was very similar. There's some things in his video that I disagree with. There's some things in his video that I agree with. Now, the things that I agree with might be some things that y'all didn't even think about. Things that I disagree with might be also some things that y'all didn't think about. So let me explain. Now, let's just start off with the disagreements, okay? Meditation is pointless, sun gazing is pointless, etc., etc. All these things are pointless. Now, in the perspective, it is, okay? In the perspective, it is. I get his whole entire point. His whole entire point was basically saying we are the global consciousness, so there's no point of trying to connect with the global consciousness, because that's what this whole entire spirituality thing is trying to connect with the higher self, the one, the creator. There's no point of trying to connect with that global consciousness, because you already are the global consciousness. Let me reiterate. There is no point to connect with that global consciousness because you already are that global consciousness. That was kind of the whole point of the video. So in a perspective, meditation is pointless because you're trying to connect with the consciousness even though you already are the consciousness. You get what I'm saying? In a perspective, it is pointless to sun gaze because you're looking at a global consciousness, trying to get information from the global consciousness, even though you already are the global consciousness. You get what I'm saying? So, in a perspective, yeah, I agree with him, but in a perspective, I also disagree because I feel like our bodies are what hold us back overall. I feel like our egos and our bodies is what hold us back overall. And since we live in the illusion, in the matrix, we are constantly getting fed bullshit. And so we need to do these practices in order to clear out our mind and to clear out the bullshit. I don't think the video was that wild, to be honest. I don't think it was that crazy. It's honestly some shit I already knew. Like autobiography of a yogi. I'm not gonna go to it now, but like, bro, there's literally shit where he talks about the same shit. He talks about how like the body's a trap, the body's an illusion, and it does kind of suck to be in this body. I think it was chapter 10, Cosmic Consciousness, where he talks about how like he meditated so deeply that he actually connected with that one source, and he was just everything. Eventually, he went back into his body and he got fucking depressed. He got so fucking depressed because he was like, damn, I was cosmic consciousness and now I'm back into this body. And from a degree, from an angle, it does kind of suck. It's not chapter 10. God damn it. I don't know what fucking chapter it is. Just look up autobiography of a yogi, cosmic consciousness. Look that shit up. Read that chapter. That shit's fire. But yeah, from an angle, it does suck to be in this body, especially when you're knowing that you are God, You are God, and you're literally just in this body. And here's another thing. He kept saying we're bored. It's cause consciousness was bored. It's cause we were bored. Now that's another thing that I disagree with. I don't think it's cause we were bored. I think God wanted to challenge itself. God was like, I am God. I can create anything. I can defeat anything. I can beat anything. So what should I do with all this power? Well, what should I do is make a fucking trillion, is spread myself out as much as possible and see if anybody awakens to the truth that it is a part of God, a part of that consciousness. And that's the whole fucking game, is that we're God, but we just need to wake up to that we're God. There's all these illusionary bullshits, these religions, these fucking GMO foods, all this shit. And we have to ascend above that and realize, oh, I am one, I am everything. I can create everything because I am everything. So what he was saying wasn't really that crazy. Like, and people are like, oh, he's an agent, he's an agent, he's an agent. I don't think he's an agent, bro. I don't think he's an agent. Why would he make a whole ass video about motherfucking... The best video this nigga made was the solution, and it was talking about like the whole history about black people and shit like that, how we be tweaking nowadays and shit. But you know what I'm saying, I ain't finna get into that. That's a whole nother video. But yeah, bro, why would he make a video about the solution? Why would he make a video about raising your consciousness, raising your vibration, all this shit, and then be like, oh, he an agent? Now I will say this nigga blew up on YouTube pretty goddamn fast, bro. Pretty goddamn fast. I think he only been doing this shit for like, started his YouTube channel like 10 months ago. Been doing this shit for like a year or so because he had another channel. But that's no here nor there. What I think. Oh no, he been doing YouTube for 3 years. Yeah. Never mind. He been doing YouTube for 3 years. Never mind. But my point is, that nigga's not an agent, bro. Y'all can't just be like, oh, this dude's saying something that disagrees with me and then call him an agent. How is that spiritual? How is that fucking conscious? How is that anything? That's just retarded, bro. I call them niggas who are agents. Don't fucking call niggas who you don't know if you're an agent. He just saying something that you can't connect with consciously. You're not resonating with. So you're just like, oh, he's an agent. Nigga, what? Nigga's not an agent. Alright. And even if he is an agent, how the fuck do you know? You don't have any proof. The fuck? So, nigga's not an agent. But yeah. There's things in that video I agree with, things in that video I disagree with. I don't even think it's, like, no offense to him, but I don't even think it's that crazy of a concept. I don't even think it's that crazy of a video. A lot of people think that this spirituality thing is, like, new. It's like, it's brand new. Well, first off, us melanated beings in the Egyptian days, we was doing the same shit. Like how I said, autobiography of Yogi, this shit right here. Niggas, bro, niggas been on this. We're just so consciously asleep that we just don't. We're just so consciously asleep that we just don't know. Okay, we think this shit is new because it's new to us, so we think it's new. Nah, bro, this spirituality practice, the chakras, bro, they're older than they've been here since the beginning of time. So his video that he said, and the whole point of that video wasn't that crazy, bro. It wasn't that crazy. Okay, I have thoughts like that all the fucking time where I'm just like, is this shit pointless because I am already connected to the source, or is it pointless to be connecting to the source? And that's why I came up with the idea like, nah, it's not pointless. To naturally the matrix, you have to meditate and you have to eat right, you have to do these certain practices so you can keep that intuition, so you can strengthen your bond with the creator. Now, what else did this nigga say? He said some shit about like we did it because we were numb, or like the creator's numb. I don't think the creator's dumb. I think the creator is love. Just he's just in that love vibration, and that's it. And it's nothing more, nothing less. And it doesn't have an ego. It's just pure love. Now I know this because I've had a lot of spiritual. We ain't gonna talk about them right now, but I've had a lot of spiritual like experiences where I kind of basically experienced the actual creator. And yeah, it's just a love vibration. It's just straight love vibration. It's nothing more, nothing less. It's nothing complex. It's just love vibration. Okay. And another thing, bro, this nigga's 18, bro. I'm 18 too, but like the point with that is like, bro, you gotta stop. Y'all niggas gotta stop following these YouTubers like if they're gods or something, bro. You can tap into the exact same consciousness that they can tap into, bro. You just gotta meditate and be on your shit. Like that's it. Like that's it, bro. You can tap into the exact same consciousness that these things tap into. You can learn the same shit that they learn. Meditate. Be on your shit. Sun gaze. Get your information, and then look up shit. Like go on your. Everybody has Google. Everybody has Google. Read books. Do your thing. You can get this same information that they're getting. You see me? I'm not as big as these niggas. But I'm tapping into the same shit that they're tapped into. Why? Because we have the same consciousness. We get the same consciousness. Inside of your body holds a consciousness. This consciousness has infinite books. It has infinite research. It has infinite resources. You can tap into this bitch anytime you want, any time of the day. All you gotta do is motherfucker. So my point with that is, y'all gotta stop following these people like they're godly, like they're fucking the second coming of Jesus. There is no second coming of Jesus, bro. Like watch my video, the problem with spiritual YouTubers. Watch that video. That video goes deep into like why you really shouldn't trust motherfuckers on the internet that you do not know. You don't know them. Niggas calling you niggas calling Von an agent. Okay, if he an agent, why'd you subscribe to him? Why'd you watch his videos if he an agent? You should have fucking learned earlier if he an agent, right? I ain't saying he an agent, but you get what I'm saying. Like this shit is stupid, okay? And even if he is an agent, he has no pull, he has no weight on your life specifically. The person who has the best intentions for you is you. So don't follow people that you do not know, okay? You can disagree with things he said in this video. You can agree with some of the things he said in the video. Don't matter what I say, no matter what he say, no matter what anybody on YouTube says. What do you resonate with? That's what matters. What do you resonate with? If you don't resonate anything I say with this video, bet. If you don't resonate anything that Von said, bet. It's all your own perspective. It's all your own awareness. The reason why the creator split himself into many bodies is because he wanted to experience everything. Okay, he wanted to, or she, you get what I'm saying? They wanted to experience how it would be living in an ego experience, okay? Sum this video up. Don't listen to everybody on the internet. Video's not even that wild, not even that crazy, man. Just read about yogis. They say the same shit. Really hope you guys resonated with the words I spoke on today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, tell me what you thought about the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.